Deepseek AI has been taking over headlines recently, and in this video, I'm going to answer the biggest question we all have. How can we make money from this? Most people trying to make money online fail for one simple reason. They have no real plan. They jump from one idea to the next, hoping something will stick. They follow outdated advice, spend weeks creating content that no one watches, and then wonder why nothing is working. The truth is, making money online isn't about luck. It's about strategy, consistency, and using the right tools. That's exactly why I'm going to break down, step by step, how to use Deepseek AI to automate your content creation, grow an audience, and actually make money online. By the way, I noticed from my comments that a lot of people have different problems and questions when it comes to AI automation that I might not be able to cover fully in my videos. So I made this community where I personally guide you step by step to earning your first $1,000 online with AI. Inside AI Income Friends, I'll teach you how to leverage YouTube automation, AI-driven short videos, digital products, print on demand, affiliate marketing, and much more. Plus, you'll have my direct support through bi-weekly live coaching calls to make sure that you stay on track. When you join today, you'll get access to ready-made templates, tools, and cheat sheets to speed up your progress. You'll also be part of bi-weekly group coaching calls for direct mentorship and strategy reviews. On top of that, you'll be surrounded by a supportive community of like-minded people who will keep you accountable, and you'll have access to monthly giveaways to keep you motivated and help you succeed even faster. If you're serious about making your first $1,000 online, this is your opportunity. Click the first link in the description and join a community where I teach exactly that for absolutely free. Step 1. Pick a niche. A lot of people overcomplicate this step, either spending way too long trying to pick the perfect niche or, on the other extreme, randomly choosing something without any thought. Here's the reality. You can create content about anything you want, but some niches are just better for making money than others. A niche is basically a specific category or topic that your content will focus on. Think of it like picking a theme for your entire online presence. If you pick a strong niche, you make everything easier. Your content ideas flow more naturally, your audience is easier to find, and your monetization options are much better. There are a few categories that always perform well. Making money online, business, and productivity content will always have an audience because people are constantly looking for ways to improve their financial situation and efficiency. Fitness and health are huge because everyone cares about their well-being. Technology and AI are rapidly growing industries with endless new developments to cover. Self-improvement and relationships are popular because people always want to better themselves and their connections with others. But these broad categories aren't enough. You need to narrow it down even more. Instead of just fitness, it could be body weight workouts for busy professionals. Instead of just making money online, it could be AI-powered side hustles. If you're stuck, this is where Deepseek AI becomes useful. Go to Deepseek and type, "Give me 50 video ideas that are hot and trending right now with viral potential." The key here is to turn on the search option, which lets the AI pull real-time data. Without this, you're just getting generic results based on past trends, and that won't help as much. Now, instead of just guessing, you have data-driven answers. Step 2. Create a content plan. This is where a lot of people fall apart. They get excited, make a few posts, and then run out of ideas. Or they post inconsistently, and their audience never grows. The internet is crowded, and if you want people to pay attention, you need to show up regularly. That means having a structured content strategy instead of just posting whenever you feel like it. Deepseek can actually build this strategy for you. If you type in, "Create a content posting strategy for me in the fitness niche for the next 30 days and give me 50 viral trending ideas." Focus on helping solve common problems, you'll get a full month's worth of content ideas. Of course, swap out fitness for whatever your niche is. The reason this works so well is that successful content isn't just about entertaining people, it's about helping them. If you can consistently solve people's problems, they'll keep coming back. Instead of struggling to come up with ideas every day, you now have a structured plan that keeps you focused. Step 3. Decide on your platforms. Some people think they need to be experts or have expensive equipment to make good content. Others get overwhelmed by the amount of content they need to produce and end up doing nothing at all. The key is working smarter, not harder, and that means using AI to do the hard and boring work. Deepseek can generate viral content ideas specifically for the platform you're using. If you're growing a YouTube channel, you can type, "Give me 10 viral YouTube video ideas for the fitness niche that leverage trending topics and engagement hacks." If you're building an Instagram or TikTok page, you'd ask for viral short-form video ideas instead. If you're creating a blog, you'd ask for blog post ideas instead. The AI will give you a list of concepts that are designed to get engagement, along with a brief explanation of why each one has viral potential. This takes the guesswork out of content creation. Once you have your ideas, you need to turn them into actual posts. But first, think about which platforms you want to upload to. The more bases you can cover, the better. This is important at the beginning if you're trying to figure out which platforms you want to focus on. You'll need to go through the experimentation stage. But if you already know your strengths, go ahead and focus on them. For example, if you're comfortable with Instagram, post on Instagram. If you're good at writing, focus on creating a blog. Once you've decided which platforms you want to post on, you can create specific content tailored to those platforms. Step 4. Create content. Let's start by talking about picture posts, like Instagram posts. Deepseek can generate full content drafts for you, including captions, hooks, and hashtags. You can give a prompt like, "Give me 30 Instagram image post ideas for the fitness niche." Give me captions, hooks, and hashtags for each. Also, give me an AI image generation prompt for each. I will post these AI images. Now you can take what Deepseek generates, tweak it to fit your style, and post consistently without burning out. Visuals are a huge part of making content that stands out. If your posts don't look good, people will scroll right past them. That's why you need high-quality images that grab attention. AI can help with this too. Leonardo AI is a tool designed specifically for generating images, and it's completely free to use. Once you create an account and log in, you can click on Image Creation and then generate images for any platform. The trick is using the right prompts, which we generated earlier using Deepseek. Just copy and paste the image prompts that Deepseek gave into Leonardo AI, and then hit Generate. Now, you can download the images and upload them to your Instagram with the captions and hashtags that Deepseek already wrote for you. Next, let's talk about videos. This is non-negotiable. If you want real reach, you need video content. Social media platforms push video more than anything else because it keeps people engaged longer. And if you think making videos is too hard or time-consuming, that's where AI comes in. You don't need to be on camera. You don't need editing skills. You don't even need to spend hours putting clips together. AI can do it for you. The best tool for this is InVideo AI. If you haven't heard of it, it's a platform that lets you generate full videos just by entering text. It pulls in stock footage, AI-generated media, and background music to create professional-looking content with almost no effort. The first thing you need to do is create a free account. Once you're in, you need a solid video concept. This is where most people overthink things. They sit there staring at a blank screen trying to figure out what kind of video to make. Break it down like this. You have a few choices to make. The first is video length. Short-form videos, things like TikToks, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, are designed to be under 60 seconds. They work because they're quick, easy to consume, and have a high chance of going viral. Long-form videos, things like full YouTube videos, work better for building authority and keeping people engaged for longer. If you're just starting, short videos are the easiest way to get traction. They require less effort, but they can bring in millions of views. Instead of guessing what videos to make, you can tell Deepseek, Give me 30 short viral video ideas for the fitness niche. Give me video generation prompts I can use for each to generate video from text. Now, go to workflows in InVideo and then search for whatever type of video you're trying to create, like TikTok or YouTube. Now, paste in the video generation prompt you got from Deepseek and pick your settings. You can decide whether to use stock media or generative media. Stock media pulls from existing footage, like clips of people working, cities, and nature shots, stuff that already exists. Generative media creates completely new AI-generated visuals. If you're making an explainer video, stock footage is usually the best option because you can find clips that match what you're talking about. If you want something more creative, like an AI-generated futuristic scene, generative media is the way to go. After that, you'll set your video's target audience, media pace, and platform. This is important because every platform has a different video style. Fast, high-energy videos work better on TikTok and Instagram. Slower, more detailed content works better on YouTube. Once you've locked in these settings, InVideo AI will generate the full video for you. You can tweak the text, adjust the visuals if you need to, and download it. From there, you just upload it to your platform of choice. Now, let's talk about blog content. A lot of people ignore blogs because they think no one reads them anymore. But that's a huge mistake. Blog content doesn't disappear the way social media posts do. A well-written blog post can rank in Google and bring in readers for months or even years after you publish it. And you don't have to write anything yourself. AI can handle it. The best way to do this is with SEO Writing AI. First, you'll need to create an account. Once you're in, you'll enter a main keyword related to your topic. For example, we could use easy fitness hacks for beginners. But here's the thing. If you just let the AI generate an article from that, it's going to be generic and boring. The real trick is to guide it with the right details. That's where Deepseek comes in again. Instead of just letting SEO Writing AI spit out a random article, you can ask Deepseek for a structured article brief. We could say something like this: I'm creating an article on easy fitness hacks for beginners. Give me all the details that an AI blog post generator needs to generate the best blog post possible, based on pain points and limited to 1,000 characters. A Deepseek will give you an outline packed with important information. Once you have the brief, you paste it into SEO Writing AI. Then, enable NLP keyword generation. This makes sure your post is optimized for Google so it actually ranks in search results. You also want to enable syndication. This will automatically create versions of your post for Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, email, and Pinterest. That means your content gets shared across multiple platforms without you having to do anything extra. After the post is generated, read through it to make sure everything looks good. Then, copy and paste it onto Medium. Medium is a blogging platform that already has built-in traffic, so people can discover your posts even if you don't have an audience yet. If your post does well, Medium can even promote it to more readers, bringing in even more traffic. This is the difference between struggling to create content and having a system that works. Instead of wasting time trying to come up with ideas, you use AI to find what's trending. Instead of spending hours writing posts, you use AI to generate content that you can refine. Instead of searching for stock photos or trying to take your own pictures, you use AI to create custom visuals in seconds. Step 5. Monetize. Now, let's talk about money. Because at the end of the day, if you're putting in all this effort, you need to be getting paid. The easiest way to monetize is through affiliate marketing. This means promoting products and earning a commission when someone buys through your link. You can find affiliate products on sites like Digistore24 and ClickBank. These platforms have thousands of digital products in different niches. You sign up, find a product that fits your audience, and get a special link. When someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid. Another option is CPA marketing, which stands for cost per action. Instead of getting paid per sale, you get paid when someone takes an action, like signing up for a free trial or entering their email. This is great because people don't have to spend money for you to earn commissions. Platforms like TapMob and CPA Lead specialize in these types of offers. If you want to take things to the next level, you can create your own digital products. This could be an ebook, a course, a membership site, or even a paid newsletter. The advantage of selling your own product is that you keep 100% of the profits instead of just earning a percentage from affiliate sales. Once you start building an audience, you'll see common questions and struggles. That's when you can create a product that directly solves those problems. The final piece is scaling. If you want to grow faster, you need to increase your posting frequency. Daily short-form content and weekly long-form content should be your goal. AI tools make this easy, so you don't have to spend hours creating everything from scratch. If you follow this full strategy, you're not just making random content, you're building a system that runs itself. You create, automate, monetize, and scale. And the longer you stay consistent, the more money and traffic you bring in. What kind of content will you be creating and monetizing? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.